Greetings, awesome Astros. This is Dr. Warren. I'm here to help you make sure that you have your Schoology pages ready according to the expectations that were sent out in the email with this video. I'm going to try to make this short and sweet. However, there's a lot of information to cover. So bear with me as we go through it and you can follow along. You can pause the video at any time to get what you need done on your end and play it whenever you want. So essentially what we want is for all of the students to have their courses named in a uniform way. So Miss Leyenbauer she's ahead of the game. She's already renamed hers. She renamed it to include synchronous learning, what days and what time. And then I've had other people. So Miss McNeely renamed hers. PLT is block 2. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to be able to make this uniform, and for the students it's much easier because they'll be able to know exactly where it is on each one of their Schoology courses, and it only takes a few minutes. So follow this video and you'll be able to get it done quickly. Okay, when you log into Schoology, this is what it looks like. So you're gonna have to go to your courses, and you don't have to see all the courses in the school building, so you just click on the course that you want. I am gonna borrow Miss Clanton's class because I already have the 6th grade stuff ready to go. Okay, so for Miss Clanton, I was playing around with it and I already named it block 4. But what we want to do is we want to rename that. So you want to rename your course. However, you want to find out who is in your course so you know which block to name it. All right, so Selena Aguilar is in this class. In order to find out what class that is on your schedule, you're going to go to campus. Logging into campus looks a little bit different for you because you don't see the entire school. I've got the entire school. So I'm going to check all of Miss Clanton's classes. You're going to check all of your courses, all of your classes to see which class that student is in. So Maria, nope, that's not her. And PLT, I'm skipping over that. And I'm going to check this. Nope, not there either. So it must be in the last one. Okay, so Selena Aguilar is right there in Miss Clanton's last class. So in Infinite Campus, that block is actually 4. But if you notice on the virtual learning schedule, we do not have a block 4. Our very last block is block 3. So Miss Clanton is going to name her class Clanton Block 3. And Clanton's Block 3 meets from 2:35 to 3:35 on Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. 2:35 Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Okay, so let's go back to our Schoology page, and you're going to click on Course Options, Edit Info. This is Miss Clanton's Block 3. Whoops, sorry. Let me get this right. Clanton Block 3 meets from, oh goodness, what did I say? 2:35 to 3:35. Got it. 2:35 to 3:35. Perfect. Oops. Type today. Okay. So when you save that, okay, cool. Done. So as you can see, it made the change immediately. Great. That's tackled, done. Okay, now here's a couple more things that you need to do. You need to be able to set up your Teams meeting links so that you have, so your students have access. So on the very first page, you're going to click Add Materials, and you're going to make a page with your meeting links. Okay, so you have, let's make this a little bit bigger. So you have office hours, and you also have synchronous learning. Oh, one more time. Let me make sure I'm getting these days right. Block 3 meets on Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday from 2:35 to 3:35. Okay, so the links are gonna come. We're gonna create those, and we're gonna copy and paste those here. But for right now, we're gonna go ahead and create that page. The other thing that you need to do is you need to add the grade level virtual learning schedule. So all I did was I took a screenshot of the ones that were shared by Miss Adams in Schoology. So I'm going to upload that, and I want to edit the details. I want to add the title, and I want to make it virtual learning schedule. You can call it 6th grade virtual learning. This is the virtual learning for 6th grade. And I want to copy it to all of my courses. So I'm going to copy it to my other 2 courses. Okay, and I don't want to put it in the folder because I want it to appear on the very first page. Okay, that's done. The very last thing that we need to do is we need to create our meeting links, and we need to come back and we need to copy and paste them here. So in order to do that, we're going to edit the page. Okay, now we have it ready. All we have to do is create them. You're going to go to your Microsoft Office. You're going to need your calendar. So the calendar icon is down here when you go to Microsoft Office. There's a lot going on my computer. I apologize. All right, so I went ahead. Oh, now I'm going to show you how to do this. Okay, so new event. Okay, Clanton's office hours. So going back to, ignore, go away. So going back to the 6th grade virtual schedule, Miss Clanton's office hours starts at 11:05. So we're just going to say from 11:05 to 12:05 right now. We can work that out later, 6th grade. So we're going to run this from 11:05 a.m. to 12:05 p.m. Okay, we're going to start this on Monday. That is the expectation. We're going to repeat every day. Notice that you have all 7 days as an option. You know you don't want all 7 days as an option, so you want to click and make sure that you have Monday occurs every Sunday and Saturday. Oops, I didn't mean that. Rewind. Blue means that it's going to happen, so you're going to unclick Saturday and Sunday. Does that make sense? Cool. Okay, so we have it repeating every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Those are the office hours because you need to be available every day during that planning for your students for that hour. Okay, we're going to save that. Oops, I messed up again. It's okay though. Okay, so I'm going to click on the 10th. Oops, the 10th. All right. If you do this a lot of times like me, it happens. And you might need this because you might forget to click this button too. There's this button right here, Teams meeting. You're going to want to create that team. You want to click that button that says Teams meeting because if not, you're not going to get a link. I want to make sure this is okay. All right. Everything looks good. Okay, save. So in order to get that team meeting link, I'm going to have to look inside oh my goodness. And I'm going to need to grab, oh my goodness. Okay, so I didn't waste your time. I was trying to figure out what was going wrong. So I needed to edit all the events in the series, not just the one. I misclicked on that. Okay, so you're going to make sure that your Teams meeting is flipped, and then once you save and go back in, it's going to populate that Teams meeting at the bottom for you. So this is the office hours link. We're going to copy Uh-oh. Okay, just right here. Copy and go back over to Schoology, and under office hours, we're going to paste it right there. So that way all the students have to do is click on that link. They can also call in on this number, but they should be able to join you on their laptops. So that is your link. Now we're going to do the synchronous learning days link. We're going to make it Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday from 2:35 to 3:35. So you're going to go back to your calendar. Make it easier to view. Starting the week of the 10th, Clinton, Block 3, synchronous learning. Oops. Okay, so that is going to start on the 10th, and that class meets from 2:35 to 3:35, and this is the tricky part. You're going to custom. Okay, so every Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday is when this class is going to meet. It's going to continue until February 1st, 2021. So I think we're pretty safe. We can go in and delete it later if we need to. Okay, so again, you need to make sure that you click your Teams meeting. All right, last thing to do. Go in to your Block 3 synchronous learning. Okay, oops. Okay, copy. And go back to Schoology and paste. And don't forget to, okay, save changes. Okay, I want to, okay, that's it. So that's all you're going to need for your other classes. You're going to create the page just the same, except for you're going to call it meeting links, but you're going to have to create different meeting links for each one of your blocks.